Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to become a premium member on FaceSwap Magic AI Avatar. In free version you can swap your face in photos, but you are not able to use video mode. This looks pretty, like if you really want to use then you can, but if you want to be a premium membership then you can use photos and videos. So how can you be a premium membership? Simply tap here right top corner on your screen. It's like a crown. Then you can see in a week you have to spend $4 or $5 maybe. So simply continue. Once you click continue, then you have to give your credit number, and once you're done then simply save card. Then you can easily buy this package. So okay friend, today's no man, see you in the next video.